Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Uckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, March 24th. Markets backed off a bit on Friday, but we did make some new record highs in the cash S&P. We didn't quite get there in the S&P futures. The high on Friday was 1876 and 3/4. We ended up gaining 1.4% for the week, so it was still a very good week, but that was short of the 1880 and a half all-time highs for the S&P futures. The close was at 1857, down 9 points. The Dow futures lost 44, but did lead the indexes last week, up 1.5% on a weekly basis. The Nasdaq turned down on Friday, down 52.5 at 3640. It was up 3/4 of a point. The weakest of the indexes, as tech has slowed a little bit for last week anyways. Currencies were quiet. The dollar was down 1 at 80.26. We had the euro currency up 13, 137.92. Bonds up 19 ticks at 132.21. Crude oil printed above $100 a barrel on Friday. 100 and then 25 cents was the high. Closed at 99.50, up 56 cents. And the gold market was up $6, a little bit of recovery, 13.36. Gold did lose $43 last week here after making multi-month highs in that market. You're seeing some profit taking with that firmer dollar. So after the mixed action on Friday, but a very positive week in the stock indexes, where do things stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're positive once again. We're up about 0.25%. We're up 3.5, 4 points in the E-mini S&P at 1860. The Dow futures are up 25. The Nasdaq's up 9 at 3648. Looking at the currencies, the dollar continues to hold strong above that 80 pivot level that we keep talking about. 80.42 is where it stands right now, up 15. That's pushed the euro currency below that 138 level, 137.69. Bonds are steady, 132.16, down 4 points. Just to update you, the yields on the 30-year Treasury right now are at 3.62%, and the 10-year note is at 2.76, really stuck around this 2 3/4 level. Crude oil up 30 cents right now at 99.76, putting some pressure on 100 up above, and gold is off with that firmer dollar, down 12 at 13.24. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're positive in the stock indexes, 1860 in the E-mini S&P futures up 3.5, and we're up 25 points in the Dow futures. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Uckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.